Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the chords of any song that's on YouTube. Mind you guys need to be careful with copyright issues. I'm not showing you this to steal people's songs or to steal chord progressions. I know I made a video like this before, but this one is totally, I won't say 100% free, but like if you have internet and you have a browser on your computer, you can go to this website called codify.net. You can look up anybody's beats or anybody's song on YouTube. Just search up the song and just press play, and it's gonna play you the song with the chords. If you on the free plan, you only do like 3 songs a day. But if you're not on the free plan, you can get unlimited songs every day. You can just search up any song. I searched up what's the name of this song? Gabsy come over. It's gonna tell you the song has been codified. If it's a new song, you just have to order the song to be codified. And you just press on play, and to play you the song, show you the chords in the song, and you can add it to your beats. Yeah, guys. First thing, at least you need to know music theory for you to know the chords to play. So if you don't know music theory, maybe just learn the basic music theory chord progressions or the chord notes or whatever it is. You can also download my cheat sheets. I'm gonna put a link in the description. So like if you know like the scale, I have another diagram that shows you like all the chords and the scale and stuff like that. So I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to get that too. But this site is totally free. I'll leave a link in the description. It's called codify.net. Just put up a song and search for the name and find the chords. Hey guys, catch you guys in the next one.